F&F is a global fashion brand which is sold in Tesco stores.
We sell all around the world, so there's constantly new designs.
Now that we're in many marketplaces throughout the world, what we've got is customers of different shapes and sizes. People in Vietnam don't need the same styles or sizes that we need in the UK. So what we need to be able to do is have more flexibility in the way we make samples and prototypes.
When they told me I was going to be working on Lectra, I was very excited about this.
When I saw the whole thing in Bordeaux, it was just amazing.
Not only will we be able to use the Lectra Modaris for our technical needs, but we'll also be able to use it for design purposes.
It's brilliant for designers. It enables them to visualise what their initial concept is going to look like before it even goes out to the suppliers. Especially when we have all-over prints that change that are large scales, it's really essential that we can see what each print looks on each size.
We've been using Lectra for 18 months and our first major project was for children's wear.
Recently there'd been a new study done to see what were the size and shape of children in the UK. The last time this was done was 1955.
So we needed to regrade all of our product. What Lectra enabled us to do was to fit the product in the virtual reality across the whole size range.
We were the only retailer in the UK to get this summer range fitting the modern child as opposed to the child of 1955.
The processes have definitely changed. I think companies are having to re-look at the ways they're working to ensure they have got the latest trends, they've got the latest thing that the customer needs.
We want to be able to sell a product that's in fashion in that season, not in the next season.
Lectra does speed that process up.
You can make a pattern, I can check the fit, and if I'm happy with the fit, I'm confident to send it out to a factory.
Hitting the right season by getting this first sample right makes a massive difference.
We can get product in store within 4 weeks.
We've just started in the USA. Lectra is definitely a part of the plan to grow. We would not want to be without it now because it makes our lives, all of our lives, so much easier.
If we can use Lectra to do one virtual fit approval without having to cut any fabric anywhere in the world, that will transform the way that we do business.